Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the development shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Garnet Reed, president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, will host the launch of the SBAJ Growth and Resilience Conference today at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. The guest list shows the strong support that the SBAJ has built to push its mandate to promote the small business sector. In attendance will be dignitaries such as Mrs. Sansia Templar, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, representing Senator the Honorable Minister Aubin Hill. Jamaica's net international reserves (NIR) rose at the end of May, strengthening the country's external position. Figures released by the Bank of Jamaica showed the reserves increased by about 0.5%, moving to US $6.48 billion in May. This lifted the import coverage to 40 weeks, an improvement of about 0.33%. The growth was driven mainly by currency and deposits, which rose by 0.9% to US $3.32 billion. Executive Director of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Kamisha Turner-Blake, says Jamaica needs strong macroeconomic policies to help exporters in the wider economy navigate an increasingly challenging environment. Mrs. Turner-Blake was responding to the recent decline in merchandise exports. The JMEA Executive Director told RJR News that manufacturers require additional warehousing and logistics space to improve efficiency and competitiveness. Mrs. Turner-Blake also expressed concern that new taxes and measures contained in the national budget are adding pressure on the sector. In addition, she called for bottlenecks at the country's ports and customs operations to be addressed, and stressed the need for manufacturers to have greater access to affordable financing to rebuild and expand their businesses. For the trading period of June 9, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited, with 16,295,808 units, representing 38.28% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 7,220,897 units, representing 16.96% of market sales activities. Dollar Financial Services Limited with 3,480,079 units, representing 8.17% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, distribution and finance plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 9, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.31 and buying at $158.93. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.16 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.15 and was bought for $112.99. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $3.53 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.03 and was bought for $209.50. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score isn't just about borrowing money, it's about creating experiences. When most people hear the words credit score, they think about loans, mortgages, or debt. But what if your credit score could help you visit New York, attend a conference in Toronto, spend a weekend in Miami, or take your family on a vacation you've been postponing for years. The reality is that your credit score, credit report, and credit card habits can work together to create travel opportunities that many people overlook. Your credit report tells a story. Every financial decision leaves a footprint. Paying bills on time, managing debt responsibly, and maintaining long-standing accounts all contribute to the story of your credit report, and this speaks to lenders and financial institutions. A positive credit report signals trustworthiness. That trust often translates into access to better financial products, including premium reward credit cards designed for frequent travelers. In many ways, your travel rewards journey begins long before you ever board a plane. Your credit score opens doors. A strong credit score can provide access to credit cards that offer benefits such as airline miles, hotel rewards, airport lounge access, travel insurance, and sign-up bonuses. These benefits are often reserved for consumers who have demonstrated responsible credit management over time. Simply put, the stronger your credit profile, the more opportunities become available. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward.